Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will share with you the best way to prepare tasty yam pepper soup. But before that, if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to smash that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And to my OGs, you guys are always welcome to this channel. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. You start by washing the meat, firstly with salt, then water. Repeat this process for 3 consecutive times. In your seasoning cubes, salt, and your chopped onions. Put the meat on the fire to cook, but don't add water to it. Cook till the water from the meat is extracted. Soak the uziza leaf with water and salt. The salt will help to kill any germs found in the leaf, while the water will help to sediment the sand at the bottom of the bowl. Add water to the meat. Stir and keep on cooking till the meat softens. While waiting for the meat to cook, peel your yam, wash and set it aside. Add in your pepper to the stock and stir. Add in your seasoning cube and also add in your pepper soup spicy and stir. Cover your pot and allow the stock to start boiling before adding the peeled yam. Stir, add some salt if needed, and cover to cook. While waiting for the yam to cook, slice the uziza leaf and set aside. Stir the yam. At this point, the yam has cooked enough, so it is time to add the uziza leaf and stir. You can as well substitute the uziza leaf with scent leaf, which is popularly known as nchanu in Igbo, but I prefer uziza leaf to scent leaf. Allow the food to cook for 2 minutes. While leaving the pot open so that the heat from the food doesn't lead to the decoration of the uziza leaf. Then off the flame after cooking for 2 minutes and dish out the food. This is the end product of today's video. So guys, leave your comment down below in the comment section and tell me what you think about this recipe, and also let me know the kind of content you would like me to bring on this channel. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to smash that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. See you in my next video. Bye.